Tariscope Enterprise is a modern telephone call accounting system developed by the Ukrainian company SoftPI. This system has been refined and improved for over 25 years. Tariscope provides call accounting for single or multiple PBXs, performs call billing, and enables the analysis of all aspects related to call activity. Key benefits: create a hierarchical subscriber structure that matches your company's organization, enabling reporting for each subscriber group. Synchronize subscriber parameters with corporate Active Directory. Process calls from dozens of different PBX types from various manufacturers, including 3CX, Avaya, Alcatel-Lucent, Asterisk, Contron, Mitel, and many others. Flexible charging options, support for multiple currencies, preferential rates, free seconds, and alternative charging models. Automated task scheduling, process call information, generate reports, update currency rates, create database backups, and more. Automatically change the class of service for subscribers when they exhaust their set call limits. Import information about mobile calls made from corporate mobile numbers. Analytics and reporting. Tariscope includes over 100 ready-made report templates that are easily adaptable to user needs. Additionally, the flexible interface allows you to create custom report forms from scratch. It includes a system for detecting fraud in telephone calls. A real-time dashboard displays all necessary data online. Subscriber Personal Area. Tariscope's Personal Area provides subscribers access to their call history, call category settings, and documents. Group managers can view the call records of their subordinates. Automation in Tariscope. The Tariscope scheduler automatically performs various tasks based on a set schedule, including generating reports with the option of sending them via email, updating currency exchange rates, creating database backups, and more. The Tariscope API enables integration with external systems, such as CRM platforms. Tariscope is trusted by thousands of companies in over 40 countries worldwide. Notable users include Netcracker Technology USA, Shahdag Mountain Resort Azerbaijan, Sasol Germany GmbH Germany, the Parliament of Kazakhstan, the Ministry of Finance of the Kyrgyz Republic, Air Astana, and many others. The Tariscope Enterprise license is perpetual, with no restrictions on the number of PBXs or users. The license includes 1 year of warranty support with the option for extension. Tariscope Enterprise is a reliable tool for managing your company's telephony costs effectively. Download the free version today and experience the power and flexibility of Tariscope Enterprise.